Cells are the smallest units of life. Every plant, animal, and even tiny bacteria are made of cells. Your body alone contains around 37 trillion cells, and each one works 24 hours a day to keep you alive. But what's actually inside a cell? Let's step inside and meet the incredible team that makes life possible. Welcome to the cell. The first thing we encounter is the cell membrane. Think of it as the security gate surrounding the city. It carefully decides what gets in and what stays out. Oxygen, water, and nutrients are welcomed in, while waste products are sent out. Without this protective barrier, the cell couldn't survive. Once inside, you'll notice everything floating in a jelly-like material called the cytoplasm. This isn't empty space, it's where countless chemical reactions happen every second. Organelles move through it, nutrients travel across it, and life never stops. Think of it as the busy streets connecting every part of the city. Now we've reached the nucleus, the cell's command center. Inside the nucleus is DNA, the instruction manual for building and running the entire cell. Whenever the cell needs to make proteins, grow, or divide, the nucleus sends the instructions. Next, meet the smallest workers in the cell, ribosomes. These microscopic machines build proteins, the molecules responsible for muscles, enzymes, hormones, skin, and much more. Thousands of ribosomes work non-stop, assembling proteins from amino acids like tiny robotic factories. Next comes the endoplasmic reticulum, or the cell's transportation network. There are two types. Rough covered with ribosomes, it helps make and transport proteins. Smooth it produces fats, helps remove toxins, and stores calcium. Together, they function like highways connecting different parts of the city. After proteins are made, they travel to the Golgi Apparatus. This organelle modifies, packages, labels, and ships proteins exactly where they're needed. Every city needs electricity. Inside the cell, that's the job of the mitochondria. They convert food and oxygen into ATP, the energy currency that powers everything your body does. Whether you're running, studying, blinking, or even sleeping, mitochondria are hard at work. Cells also create waste, and that's where lysosomes come in. These tiny sacs contain powerful enzymes that break down damaged organelles, invading bacteria and waste materials. They're the cleanup crew that keeps the cell healthy and efficient. Need to store water, nutrients, or waste? That's the job of vacuoles. Plant cells usually have one giant central vacuole, while animal cells have several smaller ones. If we're touring a plant cell, we'll also find chloroplasts. These amazing organelles capture sunlight and convert it into food through photosynthesis. They're like tiny solar panels powering the entire plant. Here's the amazing part. None of these organelles work alone. Together, they create one of the most efficient systems in nature. If you enjoyed this journey inside the cell, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next science adventure.